request comes from the Rubicon Liberation Front. Let's see what it says.
Raven, we have a mission we'd like to offer you. The PCA has deployed the Cataphract, a special forces weapon specialized for ground combat. If we allow the corporations to seize this kind of technology, things will take a dire turn. We want you to deny them the opportunity. Destroy the weapon first. The Cataphract is a moving fortress equipped with almost impenetrable armor. It incorporates a bipedal MT as its core, making it a highly versatile threat. That MT core is also its vulnerability. Focus your fire there, and it can be beaten. You're our best chance. What do you say?
Seems the Liberation Front are hoping their rivals will wear each other down. They must be desperate to avoid confronting a triumphant victor.
Main system activating combat mode.
Commence mission. Destroy the PCA SP machine, Cataphract.
Cataphract incoming.
Code 2-3. Enemy AC confirmed. Presently exchanging fire. Wait. Priority target line. You got something that showing up here. Whatever you can do is turn it on. Did you really think we'd let you walk? You made Rubicon Corporation's playground. We have law and order under the PCA's watch.
Must be your license. Something with the Raven did. Don't worry about now, 61. Focus on the battle.
Direct hit on the core.
Level 4, send me what you've got on priority target Raven. Combat simulator has misled me. Who are you? Code 1-8. Whoever this is, it's not Raven. Regardless, they're as much of a threat to me. This is over. Goodbye. Sending combat log, requesting verification.
The Cataphract has been destroyed. Mission accomplished. Forget about this Raven character. Borrowed licenses are always trouble.
Huh. What are you and Walter doing here on Rubicon?